Anjali from Diligence Certification. Are you an individual entrepreneur who wants to start their business without partners but still wants the benefit of private limited company? Then one person company might be benefit for you. In this video, I will explain what an OPC is, its benefit and how to get registered. Let's get started. What is a one-person company? A one-person company is a business owned and run by a single person who also enjoys the limited liability protection. Unlike a sole proprietorship, an OPC is a legal entity. It can own property, open bank accounts, sign contracts, and can take or face legal action on its name. This gives solo entrepreneur the benefits and credibility of a full company without needing multiple owners. Benefits of OPC registration. Limited liability. Your personal assets stay protected if the business faces loss or legal issues. Legal recognition. Customer, banks and partners trusted a registered company more. Easy formation and compliance. Lighter rules as compared to private limited company. Full control. No partners. Complete independence in decision making. Easier funding. Investors prefer dealing with recognized company structure. How to register an OPC? Here are 5 steps to register your one-person company. Step 1. Get DSC. Every director needs a digital signature certificate to sign documents online with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Step 2. Apply for DIN. Obtain a director identification number, a unique ID for anyone who wants to act as a company director. Step 3. Reserve your company name. Apply on the MCA portal. The name must be unique and clearly linked to your business activities. Step 4. File incorporation documents. This includes your memorandum of association, articles of association, identity proofs, nominee details, and registered office documents. Step 5. Receive your certificate of incorporation. Once approved, the MCA issues the certificate of incorporation and your OPC is officially born. At Diligence Certification, we are here to guide you from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more compliance tips. Thanks for watching.